Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is Adnan Ahmed from Excellence Online platform. Today I'm going to teach you about a grammar article. In grammar we have different topics like narration, passive, tenses, structure, phonology and phonetics. One of them is article. The application, the usage of the or the, a or an or omission of article. This is important for every student, whether he or she in class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, first or second year, right? In some essays or when we write down compositions, when we do not use correctly the article, it gives a wrong impression. So today we are going to discuss about article. We have three dimensions of article: definite article, indefinite article and omission of article. Omission of article means we do not use any article in any position. This is omission of article we have got. So first we will discuss usage of article, places of article. One is designation. Designation means post we have got. Prime Minister, President, Governor, Deputy, Controller, Principal, Manager, these all are designation. Here we use the principal, the manager, the vice chancellor, the MD, right? These all are designation, whether it's a professional designation, social or governmental, non-governmental. In all kinds of designation we use the or the. Second, we have titles. Qaid-e-Azam is not name, Qaid-e-Azam is title. In title we use the or the. Dr. Iqbal is name. When we say poet of the East, Hakim al-Ummat, national poet, these all are titles we have got. So if you say Muhammad Ali, this is name, we will not use any kind of article. We do not say the Muhammad Ali. When we say Qaid-e-Azam, this title, we use the Qaid-e-Azam or the Qaid-e-Azam. Next we have got direction. We have four direction. In short, we say news. North, east, west and south. When we multiply, there are 16 direction. South, east, north, west, like this direction we have. In all direction we use the or the. So there are three positions we use a definite article. Second, we have got these three watery objects, whether it's a sea, ocean, peninsulas, lakes, waterfall, rivers, we use the or the. Second, we have got mountain, but not mount. Mountains means we have series, ranges, Karakoram, Himalayas, the are mountains. Mount means there is only one mount, Mount Arafat, Mount Everest, both are mount. We use with mountains rather than mount. Another, we have got forests and deserts. With all forests, with all deserts, we use the or the. With name forest, we use the. We have the word forest, we use a. The names of forests, the name of deserts. Next, we have got the places of the or the. We have historical places, 7 wonders, the Statue of Liberty, the pyramids of Egypt, the Eiffel Tower, the Taj Mahal, the all of the historical places. Beside these 7 wonders, we have other historical places where we use the or the. Next, we have historical events. Beside places, we have got events. Pakistan Resolution, historical event. French Revolution, migration to Medina, separation of Dhaka, the all of the historical events. We use the or the. Another, we have got musical instruments, piano, guitar, violin. When we have these musical instruments, before them we use article, the or the. Next, we have singular noun, its whole class. When we use singular noun, but the singular noun presents its whole class, we use the. Tiger is the fastest animal in the world. So here tiger is singular noun. But tiger does not mean only one tiger, all kinds of tigers. They are fastest animal. Singular noun presenting in the whole class, we use the. The tiger is the fastest animal in the world. Cow is 4 legs. Cow is a useful animal. Here cow, the cow we use. Noun association. We do not use article with water, gold, rice, but when we associate them, water of Saudi Arabia, Abi Zamzam, we use the. Gold of South Africa, we use the. Rice of Punjab, beauty of Egypt, mangoes of Pakistan, We have got hundreds of examples like this. When we associate noun, right, with someone or something as a specialty, we use the or the. Another, we have got general specific. With general we use a or an. With the specific we use the or the. I have a pen. This is general. The pen which you have is quite expensive. This one is specific. So general with specific. With general we use a or an. With the specific we use the or the.